Today we discuss about Microsoft's important features, quick formatting. How to apply quick formatting in a document. First is applying quick formatting. In Microsoft Word, you can apply a specific style quickly and easily on the Home tab in the Styles group. If you want to apply quick formatting, then you can easily apply with the help of Home tab in the Styles group. All ready-made designs formattings are available. You can simply click on that. It will apply your selected text. Next, applying a style. Applying a style to a selection of text is easy as clicking a button in the styles gallery. If you want to apply styles on your text or document, simply select the text and click on Style Gallery options. Next one is steps for applying styles. If you want to apply styles, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text which you want to apply a style. Step 2. Click the Home tab of a style group. Step 3. Click the drop down arrow. A list of styles gallery options appears. Step 4. Select the style called heading 1 in the style gallery. Step 5. The selected changed to heading 1 options. These are the steps for applying styles on a text or document. If you want to apply styles, then firstly select the text or document where you want to apply styles. Then click on Home tab of a style group and click on drop down arrow. A list of styles will appear. Select any one. Here given as example heading 1 and many more available there. You can select any one of them. It will apply your selected text document. Next one, Style Gallery dialog box. Simply it's a drop down list. When you want to apply this from a style gallery, firstly select the text and click on that. These are the style gallery list. You can click on any one of them. Here in example given a heading 1, it will apply your selected text. These are the pull down or drop down list. Next one is document formatting. Formatting a document in Word is the process of changing the appearance of a document as a whole. It involves the length of the printed page, left margin, right margin, etc. Formatting. It is a process of changing the appearance of a document. Whole document का appearance कैसा होगा? You can decide it with the help of document formatting options. You can here set the page margins, font styles, all these. Next one is document margins and orientation. These are also a very important topics. Word default margin are 1 inch at the top and bottom and 1 inch on the left and right. So you can change the margin for the entire document or the different parts of the document. By default, in Microsoft Word, default margin is 1 inch top and bottom, 1 inch left and right. You can define or set margins according to your requirement, like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, from left, from right, from top, from bottoms, according to your need or requirements. Next one is setting document margin. Page margin can quickly be changed using the ruler, or they can be set to precise locations using page dialog box. If you want to set document margins, then you can quickly set with the help of ruler, or you can set with the help of page dialog box. Steps for setting document margins. If you want to set the margins of a document, then follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the selection for which you want to change margins. Step 2. Click the page layout tab of the page setup group. Step 3. In the right corner, click insert page and section break drop down arrow. Step 4. The page setup dialog box appears. Step 5. Click the margins tab property sheet. Step 6. Select the type out the desired margin height from the top or bottom of the page. Step 7. Select between portrait, vertical or landscape, here not off, or landscape, horizontal page settings. Step 8. Click on OK button. These are the steps for applying setting document margins on a page or documents. Next one is page setup dialog box. These are the dialog box where you can set the margins of a page. Here by default is top 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, left 1 inch, right 1 inch. You can also add the gutter according to your need. These are the orientation here, portrait or landscape. Portrait is called a vertical and landscape called a horizontal. And all the settings that you applied on a page are shown in a preview box. You can increase or decrease the size in inches, like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. After applying all those settings, you can click on OK button. It will apply your selected text or document. That's all about. Thank you.